Hi there everybody, this is Mary Beth here and I wanted to make a short tutorial video for all new members to help you to get set up and started in a quick, easy fashion. Okay, so what you want to do first is you want to log into your back office after you check your welcome email, after you have made both of your payments, your admin payment and your membership package payment. Okay, and the link to do that, you'll always log in by going to instantcashsolution.com/login. Again, that's instantcashsolution.com/login. You'll enter the email address that you used to create your account and your password. I'm going to go ahead here, and once you enter your email and your password that you created, and if you ever forget your password, just hit forgot password. It'll send you an email and you'll be able to reset your password if you ever need to do that, okay? But what you'll do for login, you'll use the email that you used to register and the password that you created and click on login, okay? And to get started, what you want to do is you want to go up here to Quick Start, click on this, and this is what you will want to start with. And you'll just want to start here. You'll want to take your time, go through this, read through this. Go ahead and click here and download your ICS training manual. That will definitely help you to get familiar and get acclimated with your Instant Cash Solution membership. You'll find a lot of great resources and training materials inside of your ISC training manual. So you'll want to spend some time there over the next several days and weeks till you really, dive into this and accomplish and master what's in the training manual. But take your time. It's not a race. Just go at your own pace and you will have success. Okay, the main thing is you want to be consistent. So go ahead and download the training manual, dive into it at your own pace. Here's where you'll be able to find all of the tutorials, the training tutorials, and I highly recommend that you also go into this at your own pace as well, okay, over the next several days and weeks. ICStutorials.com, you'll click here, okay. These are all clickable. You can register for the weekly training sessions right here. They're every Tuesday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. Okay, and you can certainly invite any interested prospects and guests to those on Tuesdays. That's a great way to get exposure and get people who are interested in working from home, making extra income from home, invite them to be your guest and get them on those webinars, okay, to help you to boost your sales. And you want to take a couple hours, familiarize yourself with the ICS members area. Just, take your time, go through here. Here's a recent boot camp training tutorial video that you'll want to watch. Here's the first one, here's the second one, and how to edit, your autoresponder messages, how to edit your ICS sales page if you want to use one of the customizable sales pages. But this will, be here for you to go back, revisit, rewatch, and just, again, take your time and just pace yourself through all of this information. Again, getting started guide right here, and then go ahead and click on the start action plan, okay, and go through this. You'll find a lot of information inside of all of these tabs here. Just take your time, go through everything, okay? So go back up to here, and what you'll want to do is go to pages. So there's several capture pages right here, okay? And you will want to go ahead and pick whichever one you like, all right? Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's 8 of them. Okay, so if you want to pick, for example, let's go with this one right here. You want to choose it. All you're going to do is just simply click on make primary page, okay? And it'll automatically make this your primary page, all right? So whichever one you want, you just go ahead and hover over it and click on make primary page. By default, it's going to automatically make that your primary page. Now, if you decide you want to change this later down the road, all you have to do is, find the one that you want and click on make primary page, and it'll override your previous defaulted capture page. Okay, so for example, you use this for a week or two, you decide you want to switch it out, just go to one of these here that you like, and you can go ahead and make this your primary page. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one, and this is what it looks like. Let's see if we can go in here. When you make it your primary page, it'll go ahead and pull up for you. So let's make that your primary page. Now, something that you could just easily and quickly utilize without having to go in here and make any changes or edits to, for example, this page right here, which is very customizable. You can change this out, you can edit this and go through that tutorial video inside of the Quick Start. That's something that you can dive into at your own pace when you're ready. But the quickest way to get set up is to pick one of these capture pages from amongst the 8 right here. Here's 5 right here, 6, 7, and 8. Just go ahead and, for example, click primary page, and then this will be the sales page here. And this is automatically all fully set up for you. Go ahead and choose this by clicking make primary page. Okay. And what it's going to do is it is going to set all this up for you. There's nothing you have to do. It'll automatically connect up to the built-in autoresponders and with the follow-up email series for you already set up and done for you. So again, the quickest, easiest way is to choose one of these here, these done for you capture pages. Click on make primary page, whichever one you want. And this is the already done for you setup sales page. Nothing you have to go in, change, edit, or anything like that. So just simply find one of these capture pages, whether it be this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, okay, this one, or this one. And as you can see, they all say capture page here. So you'll know which ones are the capture pages. You can choose any of these here that you would like and click on make primary page. You do that first. You go over to the done for it and then click here, okay. And just to okay it and give your permission to verify it. And then this is the already done for you sales page. So somebody will go ahead and see this first. They'll enter their email. They'll automatically be redirected here. And then secondly, you just make primary page. That's all you have to do. Okay. So very, very easy. So go through the Quick Start first and then choose your desired capture page and defaulted sales page. And then as you become more familiar in the future, you can go ahead and switch over to this. This is going to allow you to make changes, put your own information into this and just follow the tutorial video inside the Quick Start if you want to switch out to this in the future. Okay, so we're going to come back over here. Here's a wealth of training, so you want to take your time. This is the resources section and just go through all of this. There's a lot of information here and just go through this. Take your time. If you ever need support, you click here and you complete a support ticket. All right. Now for your account, what you want to also do, this is very, very important. This is how you're going to be able to set yourself up. You want to go, once you log in, after you've gone through the Quick Start, set up your pages, you want to go here and you want to click on account and click on your profile. Okay, you want to complete all of the information here. You'll enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your country, your physical address, city, state, and zip. You want to complete all this. Then next, you want to pick your payment processor. And there's a wide variety of payment methods and processors here that you can use. For example, there's Solid Trust Pay. You would enter your username if you're doing Solid Trust Pay. I have a merchant account through Authorize.net. These are my 2 active key codes that I've entered in here. Stripe, you can go to stripe.com and get a Stripe account. Again, that's stripe.com. That's another very popular payment processor, and you would just simply copy and paste your public key and your secret key here. Another merchant account is First Data, okay? And you would just enter the information there, your ID and your password and your First Data merchant doing business as name. If you're using Facebook, you can put your Facebook link in here. And then any payment method, for example, that you want to use, you will just enter that information here. For example, there's Zelle, if your bank uses Zelle. There's Venmo. There is also Cash App. And you would just, put your information here, and then somebody would have the details there, and this would be outside of the system. So you'll just get an alert, and then you'll go in there and confirm them, okay? So it's very, very easy. There's also ORU, I believe it's ORU.com. But for anything that's not up here, if you're not going to be using any of these, your options would be, you certainly can take payment methods offline as well. You can accept payments by mail, for example, money order, cashier's check, and you would just write that here. Anything that you want to accept right here, you would just simply type in the box. Like, for example, I accept Zelle payments, and my information for Zelle is, and you would have to put your phone number and your email address. So my information for Zelle is 330-787-1795, which is my cell number, and my email address is, and then my email address right here. So if somebody has Zelle, they would be able to pay me here through their bank. It's a bank-to-bank payment method. If you have Zelle through your bank, you can inquire. It's very easy, and it's basically a bank-to-bank transaction. You would log into your online banking, click on send payment. Zelle would be one of the choices, and then you would either enter my cell phone number here. In your case, they would enter your cell phone number and your email address to pay you. Now, if you have Cash App, which is basically cash.me, okay? So if you want to get Zelle, you acquire with your bank, it's Z-E-L-L-E. Cash App, which is a great money app, it's free. You would go to http:// cash.me, download that app, and then connect it to your bank account, okay? Very, very easy. And then if you're going to use Cash App, you would just put my Cash App ID is $, and most of the times it's $, no hyphens, no spaces, and your full name, okay? So my Cash App ID happens to be $, and my full name right here. So I put, there you go. So if someone has Cash App, they'll be able to identify with that. And then you could also put, I also accept payments by mail. Then you could put, money order, cashier's check, and then of course you want to put your, address. You want to put your mailing address right here. All right. So what we do here is we just type that in there, and I'm just giving you some different, popular payment methods, lots of different options. If you don't have access to these, you can choose your payment methods. Again, there's Cash App, there's Zelle, there's Venmo, venmo.com. You can go there and get an account, and you can also accept money orders and cashier's checks. All right, you just put your address in there, and then once you've completed everything here that is applicable to you, again, ORU is another payment method. I think it's ORU.com, and then you just want to fill this all out, your profile, of course, choose whatever payment methods that you would like, and then click Save Changes. And that's basically all you have to do. So again, you want to log in at instantcashsolution.com/login. You want to go to Quick Start. Okay. Yes, I'm just going to go ahead and remove this because I already have my defaulted payment method here. So not to confuse the system, but just for this particular video. Then of course you save your changes. Okay, so what you want to do, 3 important things: quick start, and go through the training at your own pace, download the Get Started guide, and go through all of that. And then take your time and get familiar with all of these different options back here, the next several days and next couple of weeks as you move forward. Quick start action plan, you just want to start here, go through this, download your ICS training manual, start watching the tutorial videos here. This is going to help you with your marketing. It's going to give you different ideas. It's going to show you the different ads and all that you can use. Again, all of this is in the training as well. There's a tool section for the webinars and the different options. The resources is here. So you're going to find a lot of valuable information. Marketing here is, for banner ads. The banners are here. Solo ad sources, text marketing, classified ads, the sizzle call. Here's where you'll find display ads, email templates, text ads, Facebook marketing, other links. And if you have any questions, connect with me directly. But for right now, don't want to send you on information overload or put too much information at you so that you become overwhelmed. Just go through the quick start here and just take your time, spend a little bit of time daily, for the best results. Go to the action plan, start here, and download your training manual and start to dive into that. Start watching the tutorial videos, register for the weekly trainings, invite people to these, and watch these videos here at the boot camp and these couple training videos right here. And then go into pages, choose which capture page you want, click here first, make your primary page. And for right now, till you go through the training to get this set up, this is going to be the easiest way since it's already done for you. Choose your capture page first and then make primary page and then save it, okay? And then go here to account and get your profile set up with all your information here and choose your payment method, enter it here, and then go ahead and save changes. And that's pretty much it, okay? Just take your time, go through these tabs. You'll find a wealth of information inside each one of these, and then just go ahead and get yourself set up. Spend some time inside of the training and inside of the resources. And contact me if you need any help or have any questions going forward. Here's the calendar. Every Tuesday, we have our live webinars, okay? So thank you very much, and I will see you soon on the next video. Bye for now.